To finance now, here's Alan Kohler.
Well, the Aussie dollar has a hair on its nose above 70 US cents, but it looks set to break below that before long. More and more economists are now predicting 2 rate cuts this year, the latest being Alan Oster at NAB today. And this growing consensus is, of course, weighing on the currency. But the main foreign exchange action today was the euro, which fell to a near 2-year low after the European Central Bank restarted some crisis-era monetary stimulus. Now, the official interest rate was kept at 0 last night, but the ECB is now also offering cheap loans to banks to try to stop the economy slipping into recession. European bank share prices didn't go up, though. They fell along with the euro because now investors are really worried. And just on that matter of a per capita recession in Australia that's rumbling away on Twitter, here's a chart of various countries' headline and per capita GDP growth. We have the biggest gap between them, slightly bigger than New Zealand's, while Canada, UK and the US also have lower per capita growth than the headline number. In Japan, where the population is shrinking, it's the other way around. The share market fell 0.9% thanks to hefty falls by banks and miners. Among the biggest gains was buy now, pay later company Afterpay. The action here was in line with falls around the world, especially in Asia today, including a sizable reversal in Shanghai. And commodities also fell, especially base metals. And finally, for International Women's Day, here's a chart of how female representation falls away the higher you get up in Australian companies. At the general staff level, it's 50%, 50-50 men and women. By the time you get to senior managers, it's fallen by half to 25%. And at the level of key management personnel, KMP, it's 15%. And that's finance.